तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं। वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिं। यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषं। गोष्पदीकृतवाराशिं मशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायणमहामाला रत्नं वन्दे विलात्मजम्। अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशम् अक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्। मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं। वातात्मजं वानरयूतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं। बाष्पवारी परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं। वाल्मीकिगिरिसम्भूत रामसागरगामिनी पुनादिभुवनं पुण्या रामायणमहानदी। वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसि जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसादासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना। आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः। मङ्गलं कौसलेन्द्राय महनीय गुणाब्धये चक्रवर्ती तनूजाय सार्वभौमाय मङ्गलम्। Bhagavan Sri Shankaracharya said in Bhajagovindam, Satsangatve nisangatvam, nisangatve nirmohatvam, nirmohatve nischalatatvam, nischalatatve jivan muktihi. When we have satsanga, meaning association with good people, good thoughts, then naturally our dussanga will go away. Satsangatve nisangatva, meaning people or thoughts of negative nature will slowly lose their strength on us. When we consistently listen and hear what is good, positive, then the mind would not dwell on something negative. And when the mind is not thinking about negative things, our understanding about the world and other things becomes steady. Nisangasve nischala tattvam. Nischala means unshaking, unchanging. And nischala tattva, then nirmohatva. So before that, Dusangatve nisangatve nirmohatva. When we detach ourselves from wrong thoughts, the delusion about the world go away. When delusion is gone, the steady wisdom takes place, and the steady wisdom leads us to liberation. Kubja is not a satsanga. This is dussanga only here. Kubja, the mantra, the one who is now reporting to Kaikeyi about what is happening in the city of Ayodhya, about the coronation of Rama that is about to take place. When she witnessed that, the celebration, the festivity ensuing this great occasion next morning, she was distraught, unhappy, for many reasons. One, she has been the dasi or the sevika of Kaikeyi, and she always wanted Kaikeyi to be happy, Kaikeyi's son to be the king, and therefore she will also increase her status, etc. That is one thing. Second is that she has been appointed by Kekeyi and Raja from the very beginning itself, as soon as Kaikeyi got married to Dasharatha, that keep a watch that according to the nuptial agreement, that is a nuptial agreement, nuptial, whatever it is. I didn't do that, so I don't know what it is. Whatever agreement that was. Nuptial? Neptune. Prenuptial.
It is Neptune.
Prenuptial agreement. That Kaikeyi Raja has said that you must make my grandson coming out of Kaikeyi alone to be the king of the Ayodhya. At that time, Dasharatha was very desperate because he didn't have any children and he wanted a child, a male child, for he has become a king. So Kaushalya was not giving birth to any child, and who else? Sumitra was also not giving birth to any child. She was desperate and he wanted to marry someone. So that was the agreement. So he wanted to make sure that that is kept up. Therefore he appointed Manthara to be watchful about this. So another reason. Third, according to Tulsi Ramayana, Devatas are very particular that this does not happen. But the coronation should not happen. Why? Because if coronation happens, Rama will stay back. Then who will take care of Ravana? Ravana has to be, he is in another part of the country. It's almost remotely in the southern side. So he needs to be destroyed, eliminated. That is the purpose of Avatar. And if Rama very conveniently settles down, that will not happen. So therefore, they are initiating an issue through Saraswati, making sure that she goes and sits in the mouth of or in the tongue of Manthara and say things that will instigate the whole issue. Whatever be the reason, Kubcha was not doing any good to the situation here. In a way, you look at it, it is right, that needs to be done. Then only Ramatar has a purpose. But the situation when we are having sympathy over Kausalya or sympathy over Rama, she looks like a villain. So here, she had made sure that Kaikeyi understood the problem that is coming up, and she also said that you are so fond of Dasharatha, he actually is a serpent. However much you take care of a snake or a serpent, give milk every day, it will have poison. And it will eventually bite the person who is giving milk also. That's why continuing in the verse number 28 in chapter number 7, Ayodhya Kand. Yada hi kuryat shatrurva sarpo va pratyupekshitah rajnya dasharathenadya saputratvam tata krita papena nrudasantvena bale nityam sukochita Ramam stapayata rajye sanubandha hatahasi sa prapta kalam Kaikeyi Kshipram kuruhitam tava राजस्व पुत्रमात्मानम् मां च विस्मयदर्शने मन्तरायावच श्रुत्वा शयनात् सा शुभानना उत्तस्थो हर्षसम्पूर्णा चन्द्रलेखेन शारदी अतीव साधु सन्तुष्टा कैकेयी विस्मयान्विता दिव्यमाभरणं तस्यै कुब्जायै प्रददौ शुभम् दत्त्वा त्वाभरणं तस्यै कुब्जायै प्रमदोत्तमा कैकेयी मन्तरां दृष्ट्वा पुनरेवाब्रवीदिदम् इदं तु मन्तरे मह्यम् आख्यातं परमं प्रियम् एतन्मे प्रियमाख्यातम् किं वा भूयः करोमि ते शत्रुर्वा सर्पो वा शत्रुः enemy sarpah and a serpent srup in Sanskrit means to crawl upasarpati to approach. Upasarpati means approach in the sense when a student is approaching a teacher, he should approach it not with arrogance. He should go like a serpent, crawl. Crawl does not mean on four legs. Crawl means with humility. So here, srup, sarpati. So that is sarpa is the crawling snake, serpent. That's why the word serpent came in English, serpent. Sarpadi is serpent. That is a definition for serpent. So here, sarpova shatrurva pratyupekshitah. When ignored, they become very, 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 very unhappy. Pratyupekshitah sarpova putrova. How they will become wild. See, why an enemy is enemy? He wants you to be noticing. If you don't notice, then the purpose is not there. Why? Enemy has to be noticed so that you will get upset about it. Right? If you ignore it, you ignore an enemy. So then what will happen? He will very, very schemingly plan to attack you, which you will never expect. In the same way, your husband. All women will agree to it. Like that. Yadahi kuryam, as you do with respect to an enemy or a serpent, Rajya Dasharadena Adya Saputra Tvam Tata Krita. Adya Krita. They have done to you the same thing which an enemy or a serpent will do when ignored. What did they do? They are doing something which you never would expect. What? Coronation of Rama. Rajya Dasharadena Adya Saputra Tvam Tata Krita. Saputra Krita. Saputra. Along, not only for you, for your son also. See, therefore, papena andruta santvena he bale nityam sukochita ramam stapayata rajye sanubandha hatahyasi. Tomorrow he is going to do the coronation of Rama, but when he comes to you and talks, he speaks sweet words, dipped in honey or maple syrup. dipped in such a sweet thing, papena anrita santvena. Anrita means totally false. Ritam na, idi anritam. Na ritam, anritam. Anrita santvena, which false, totally dipped in sweet things. Santva means sweet words. Papena anrita santvena. And you are a person who take everything on the face value, unassumingly. That is called sukha uchita. You are a sukha uchita, meaning you are easygoing. Sukha uchita. And he also calls her Bale, oh innocent one. Bala become Bale when it is vocative. Sambodhana Vakya becomes Bale. Like Radha become Radhe, Sita becomes Site. Hey Bale, Nityam Sukochita, you are such a easygoing one. Ramam Stapayata Rajye. He will install Rama as the king. And what happens to you? Sa Anubandha Hata Hyasi. You, along with your own relatives, you are finished. Complete. Done. That is what is going to happen. Sa prapta kalam kayi. Therefore, this is the right time. Kshipram kuruhitam tava. Do something good for yourself quickly. Trayasva. Please protect. Putram, your own son. Atmanam, yourself as well as your son. And mamcha. After all, I also should be included because I am your servant. And if you are now going to protect yourself, you are protecting myself also. Mamcha vismaya darshane. And she again calls her as, oh wonderful, amazing lady. Vismaya. Vismaya means Smi in Sanskrit means to smile. Vismaya means we upasarga when say become wonder. Strange, amazing. Hey, amazing lady, please protect yourself. This is the time. You know, as this kind of constant, you call it as nagging going on, but Kaikeyi was totally nonchalant. She was wondering, why are you so upset? I'm so happy that Rama is getting coronated. Such a wonderful news you gave to me. So she was lying down on the bed, Mantara vajasrutva, having listened to Mantara's words, Shayanat sa shubhanana uttastau. She was lying on the bed, and when she heard all these things, she got up. Shubhanana, with the beautiful face she had, and she got up. And Harsha Sampurna, she was so delighted. Chandralekena Sharadi, that's the beauty of Valmiki here. Chandralekena Sharadi. Sharad Rutu is rain. Cloudy nights or cloudy days. Then it's going to rain or not. That kind of a situation, dark clouds. In that night, which is late night, which is full of dark clouds, there is a full moon. Sharad Purnima, that's what it's called. Sharad Purnima is the most beautiful because brightness is gone, everything is dark, but the moon is so beautiful. Chandralekena Sharadi, like that of the beautiful moon on a dark night. In the same way, Kaikeyi was so bright, and the darkness means Kubja's words. In spite of all that, she was so... Here see, Valmiki portrays her as a very normal and very devoted, very calm and quiet person. Not the way they showed in the movies and other places. They tried to show her as a Rakshasi or villainous. She was not like that. So you must understand, Tulsi Ramayana, few words finished. That portion was not very in detail, it's not discussed. But Valmiki here says she was, and because she was basically a nice noble person, due to some amount of pollution, poisoning of her head, she happened to think differently. That is why Sri Rama, in spite of all that what she has done, when Bharata takes her to the, Aranyakanda, we'll see. So then she takes her to Panchavati, and there, obviously, first thing Rama does is to go and salute her than anybody else. Two reasons. One, without her, the story would not have moved. He is very much aware that she is a pawn in the hands of the Devatas. So she was purposely made to think like that. So she is not at fault. In fact, we learn more from others' mistakes than our own mistakes, isn't it? Watch who are all making mistakes. Why should you make a mistake to understand anything? Let others make mistakes. Let me learn. So here, she was so delighted in spite of all that polluting words that are being uttered by Mantara. Ativasatu santushta keikeyi vismayanvita, with so much of wonderstruck. And why wonderstruck? What is negative in this? Rama is getting coronated, so what? It is nice. And why do you think that I am in trouble about this? And she says, your whole clan will suffer. No, you don't understand what this is all about. How can it be? Rama is so loving and so caring. And he is the right person to get coronated because he is the first son, Prathama Putra. So he is eligible, and therefore Dasharatha is doing the right thing. So Ativasatu Santushta Kaikeyi Vismayanvida. Then she took a Divyam Abharanam Tasye Kubjaye Pradado Shubham. She took a beautiful ornament that is there she was wearing, and she removed and gave it to Kubja. Kubja is, as you know, hunchback. When you have a backpack, it's heavy, right? When you are going up and moving around, all the some kids, always they have, what is that? Backpack with a hood under, what do you call it? One cap also. They look like as though they are, Eskimos, whatever. Hunchback. So you have a backpack and walking around, how the whole thing is weighing you down. If it is you are born with a backpack, it's called hunchback. It's part of your body. So always weighing the heaviness of your back. So this kubja means hunchback. She got really, really upset. And I'm telling something and she doesn't even care about that. And here Kaikeyi, Dattvatu Abharanam Tasye Kubjayai, having given that Pramada Uttama, she had become so delighted. Uttama Pramada. So she was very delighted there. Kaikeyi Mantaram Hrushta Punareva Idam Abravit. She said this to her. Who? To Mantara, he said, Idam tu mantare mahyamakyadam paramam priyam. Whatever you said was so dear to me. Etan me priyamakyadam kimva bhuyak karomiti. What more you have to tell? What other thing can make me so happy? What you have said was the best thing that I have heard so far. So he says, I do not mind whether it's Rama or Bharata, who becomes the king, because after all, that is Dasharatha has done the right thing. He knows what to do. He says, Ramo va bharate, Rame va bharate vaham, Vishesham nopalakshaye, Tasma stushtasmi yat raja, Ramam rajye vishekshyati, Name param kinchidito varam punaha, Priyam priyarge subacham vachomrutam, Tata kya vochas tvamata priyottaram, Varam param te pradadanitam bruno. va bharate va aham vishesham na upalakshe. Vishesham means exclusiveness, difference. Shesha, what is left? Vishesha, what is that which is different from each other? I don't see anything. Rameva, Bharateva, Vishesham na upalakshe. I don't see any difference there. And tasma, therefore, tushtaha asmi. I am so delighted. Yat Raja Ramam Rajya Abhishekshati. Therefore, I am delighted that Rama is being coronated by Dasharatha. Name param kinchit itaha param varam punaha priyam priyarhe subacham vajomudam. What you have said as nectar of words, other than this, I do not think anything more delightful level here. Impossible. Tata hi avochas tvataha priyottaram varam paramte. Whatever you said is the highest joy-giving thing so far, and therefore you ask anything you want, please ask me. I am ready to give. Anything that you want to ask today, I am ready to give. You are already in pain and somebody is poking you with a pin. This is how Kubja felt. I am already pained by what's going on, and you are totally stupid, not understanding. So once she applied a certain method of polluting the mind, it didn't work. So now she is scheming. What else can I say that will instigate her? So long as she doesn't feel the calamity very close to home, she won't feel that it is wrong. So I have to make sure that what will she be losing? Right? What will she lose, or what will be that which will affect her very intensely, that I need to say, not emotionally, physically. So what is that she likes the most? Bharata. Let me tell what will happen to Bharata if Rama gets him to become the king. And what will happen to her? And for women, the best thing is to create jealousy. Kaushalya, she will become the queen and you will become a servant. What? They show the big eyes, with the black one. Now I got her. So in the next circus, Ityashre Srimad Ramayane Valmiki Adikavya Ayodhya Kante Saptama Sargaha. See, this is the way, even Shurpanaka did the same thing. When she got her nose cut and came and said that, there was a beautiful two princes were there, and the one of them I liked the most, and then Ravana was sitting there looking at a dance, some music was going on. Okay, she was bleeding. Hey, somebody please take care of her. And so you keep telling. She got very upset. He did not even bother to listen to me. And I'm bleeding here. No, he cut off my head. Okay, it's okay. Some first aid. Very good dance. So she got upset. This fellow will not listen. Rama has a beautiful wife. What did you say? There's pulling the string. What a correct string you have to pull. What did you say? Very beautiful. You deserve it. They are in the forest, unprotected. So, where is she? Because his weak point is to be tapped. Similarly, the weak point of the Kaikeyi is what will happen to Bharata, and Kaushalya become the Pattarani. Will you bear it? Now you see here. Mantara Tvakasuyena Utsrujyabaranam hitate Uvachetam tato vakyam कोपदुःखसमन्विता हर्षं किमर्थमस्ताने कृतवत्यसि बालिशे शोकसागरमध्यस्थम् नात्मानम् अवबुध्यसे मनसा प्रहसामि त्वम् देवि दुःखार्तिता सती यच्चोत्तव्ये हृष्टासि प्राप्य त्वं व्यसनं महत् शोचामि दुर्मदित्वं ते काहि प्राज्ञा प्रहर्षयेत् अरे सपत्नीपुत्रस्य वृत्तिं मृत्योरिवागताम् भरतादेव रामस्य राज्यसाधारणात् भयम् तद्विचिन्त्य विषण्णास्मि भयं भीताद्भिजायते लक्ष्मणो हि महाबाहु रामं सर्वात्मना गतः शत्रुघ्नश्चापि भरतम् काकुत्स्थं लक्ष्मणो यथा प्रत्यासन्नक्रमेणापि भरतस्यैव भामिनी राज्यक्रमो विसृष्टस्तु तयोस्तावद्यवीयसौ विदुषक्षत्रचारित्रे प्राज्ञस्य प्राप्तकारिणः मयात् प्रवेपे रामस्य चिन्तयन्ति तवात्मजम्. So first thing she has to do is to show the danger Bharata is. Bharata, after all, is her own dear child. And Lakshmana and Shatrughna, being children of Sumitra, are not her own children. And Rama, of course, is not hers. So she said, I don't care whether it's Bharatava or Bharateva, Rameva, Visheshaha, na upalakshya. I do not see any difference. Now, she has to make the difference. You don't see the difference? Then I will show the difference. There is a difference. After all, it is not your son, it's getting coronated. You understand that? So, Mantara became so unhappy. Mantara tu abhyasuyena. Adbhasuya. Asuya means in any situation, a person who looks what is wrong. It's called asuya. Any situation. You smile, I think he wants something, that's why he smiles. Otherwise he doesn't, why should he smile? How are you? He's asking, how are you? See, there's something wrong because something he wants, and after that he will say, he won't say now. So anything you do, there is always a negative, that is called asuya. One who does not have asuya is called anasuya. Atri Maharishi's wife is anasuya. So here, asuya means she was so overwhelmed with this negativity. He says, asuyena, utsrijya. She just threw away the avaranam that is given to her. I don't want this. Mantara tu abhyusena utsrujya enam utsrujya avaranam enam utsrujyam, this very ornament gave. Uvachayidam tato vakyam kopa dukkha samanvita, endowed with kopa, anger, dukkha, sorrow, And she's, what are you so delighted about? Kimartham harsham? Why is that there is so much of excitement in your face? Which is asthana. Asthana means not appropriate. Kimartham asthane. Asthane, in this inappropriate situation, why are you excited? Don't remember kimartham asthane. That's why in Sanskrit you should understand. Kimartham asthana. Masthana is a Sanskrit, not a Sanskrit word. It's a Urdu word. Ko roop tera mastana. मस्ताना है क्या? मस्ताना क्या हो गया? किमर्थम अस्ताने? अस्ताने, sthana means it is in right place. Sthanam, when you say it's right. So when you want to show off your ring in Sanskrit once in a while, even somebody does anything, sthanam, sthanam. What did he say? No. Sometimes I tell in Sanskrit, that's fine. Sana means it is right, appropriate. So, Asthani, Kritavati, Arsham Kritavati, you became delighted. Kritavati Asi, Bhalishe, again he is saying, you are so innocent. Shoga Sagara Madhyastam na Atmanam Avabuddhyase. Avabuddhyase, you do not understand that you are in the right, in the middle of a great sorrow. Shoga Sagara. You are in the ocean of sorrow. You are right in the middle. You don't realize this. Now, what would you say? Therefore, in my mind, Manasa Prahasami, I am laughing in myself. Tvam Devi Dukkhartita Sati. Looking at you in this situation and you are not realizing what else I can say. I can only laugh at you. Why? Because knowing very well the ensuing danger, Yaccha uditavye, yacchoditavye, what is to be? Choditavye, what is to be mourned? You are Krishtasi. It is just the opposite of what Krishna tells to Arjuna. What is to be, not to be worried about, you are worried about that. Ashochan anvashochastvam prajnavadam sabhashase. What is not to be worried about, you are worrying about like a great wise person. And see what she says, what is to be worried about, you are not worried about like a great person. Echhoditavye krishtasi prapyatvam vasanam mahat. Having gained great calamity that is coming up and you are just, laughing about it. And durmadi, stupid. Tvam, durmadistvam, durmaditvam, shochami, I am worried. Te kahi prajna praharshayet. Which wise lady will be happy about such a situation? Kahi prajna, which wise lady? Praharshayet. Will laugh about it. Are saputni putrasya vruddhim mrutyoriva agatam. Mrityoho, like that of a death, it has come now to you. What? Sapatni putrasya vruddhim. That is the point. Sapatni means your co-sister. That is, I don't think there is a word for that in English. What do you call it? Your husband's wife, not you, but your husband's other wife. What do you call that? Co-wife. Not co-wife. There is no word for that. Sakali in Hindi, right? Sakala, Sakali. Sahuteli. Each one is coming up with something else. Sautali. Sapatni in Sanskrit, meaning other wife. Sapatni putrasya vruddhim arehe, of your enemy, sapatni putrasya arehe. So your enemy, who is none other than the son of your other wife of your husband, his vriddhi, his prosperity is coming to you like a death. Mrityoriva agatam. See, one thing is I'll tell you. Who is eligible for this kingdom? Let us look at it carefully. Bharatadeva Ramasya Rajya Sadharanat Bhayam. Sadharana means equally competing. Adharana means that which supports. Adharana. So equally supporting, equally competing, qualifying is Bharata. Therefore, Rama has a fear about Bharata only now. Bharatadeva Ramasya Bhayam Sadharanat Rajya Sadharana, because he is quite equally eligible. Tat Vichintya, having thought about it, Vishannasmi, I am very sad. Bhayam Bidat Vijayate, fear comes out of what you are afraid of. Danger comes out of what you are afraid of. So I am very sad because danger to Bharata is going to come from the one who is afraid of him. See, that way, not that there is, I am afraid that Rama will be, no, Bharata will be definitely in danger because the danger comes from the one who is afraid of him. Therefore, Vishanna means Sad is to sit. Asanna means sit down. Vishanna means to become collapsed. Vishada is Jarjuna Vishada Yoga. Vishada is the state of despondency. Vishannasmi, I am so sad. See, other two kids, Lakshmana and Shatrugna, two one thing, they have absolutely no competition here. See, Lakshmano ki Mahabahu Ramam Sarvatmanagata. His entire life is for Rama. Lakshmana will not ever even fight anywhere near Rama, because he is not for it. Just like Shatrugnaha cha api Bharatam Kagustam Lakshmano tada. Just like how so close are Shatrugna to Bharata, so is Lakshmana to Rama. So as far as the Lakshmana is concerned, Rama is not afraid of him. And Shatrugna is not afraid because he is associated with Bharata. That is all it is. Pratyasanna kramenapi, in the order of seniority, Bharatasyeva bhamini rajyakramaha. Rajyakrama means the order of leadership. It is Bharata who is the very close ally or very close competitor for Rama. Therefore, when Visrushtastu Tayoho tu Tavat Yaviyasau, the other two of them are being junior, they are not in competition at all. Let's leave them ahead. Lakshmana and Shatrugna, Yaviyasau means young, junior. They are not into this play. But one thing about Rama is, suddenly she talks praise of Rama. Vidusha, Kshatra Charitraye, Vidusha. In the conduct of being a warrior, valor, strong, is the best. Prajnasya, he is also a man of wisdom. Praptakarana, very accomplishing individual. Therefore I am afraid. That suddenly the twist. So you are suddenly praising Rama. Yes, therefore I am afraid of Rama. Why? Potential danger is Bharata is going to have from him. Bhayat pravepe, due to fear I am shaking here. Vepanam is to shake. Pravepe, I am shaking, shivering, shattered about the fear. Ramasya chintayanti tavatmajam. Ramasya tavatmajam, because of your son potentially going to be a danger to, coming danger from Rama. I am so afraid of it. And she wanted Kaikeyi to think like her. Slowly. Poisoning the mind. Subhaga kila kausalya yasya putro vishekshyate yauvarajyena mahata स्वपुष्येन द्विजोत्तमैः प्राप्तां वसुमतीं प्रीतिं प्रतीतां हतविद्वशम् प्रतीतां हतविद्विषम् उपस्थास्यसि कौसल्याम् दासीवत्वं कृताञ्जलिः एवं च त्वं सहस्माभिः तस्या प्रेष्या भविष्यसि पुत्रश्च तव रामस्य प्रेष्यत्वं हि गमिष्यति दृष्टा खलु भविष्यन्ति रामस्य परमा स्त्रियः अप्रहृष्टा भविष्यन्ति स्नुषास्ते वरदक्षये Kausalya Subhaga. Kausalya is very fortunate. See, Dasharatha was no doubt very fond of Kaikeyi, being the youngest wife of the three. And therefore he had a special corner for her and visit her almost every day and talk to her, etc. But he says, even though he talks to you, very happy with you, etc., but when it comes to giving responsibility and giving an important job, he prefers Kausalya. Jealousy. Slowly inject that. Fortunate is Kausalya. Kaikeyi says, what? Yes. Yasya putraha abhishekshate. Whose son will become the king? Yauvarajena mahata. The great kingdom that is going to come under his control. Shra pushyena vijottamai. By the great Brahmins of the country, he is going to be coronated and he will become the king eventually of this whole beautiful nation, which was won over by Dasharatha, your son, under the breath, with your help. She will come to that point slowly. He would not have been successfully Chakravarti without your help. Remember that? And who is enjoying the beauty and the whole prosperity of it? Kausalya. Praptam Vasumatim Preetim. This most desirable, huge dynasty, huge, Rajya, the whole kingdom, Pratitam Hata Vidvisham, having killed all the enemies. Upastasyati Kausalyam. Or what is your condition? Kausalyam upastasyasi. You will be in the proximity of such a Kausalya as what? Dasivati. Like a servant. Kritanjali. With your folded hands. With maybe a mug in front in the hands. And she will, hey! They have a special thing where they're spitting that on that when they have the pan parag or something. Not pan parag, but what they use. You will be doing that. So a very dark picture of such a kind. She will walk and you will come running. What you want? Press my feet. And you will keep doing. You daughter of KK, you brought up in such a comfort and whatnot, and what will be, you will be brought yourself too, if you don't act right now. Evam chatvam saha asmabihi. Not only you, we are also of the same condition. Because you are Dasi, me, and what will be my condition? Dasi is also Paramadasi only. I will be further down in the cadre. I will be sweeping the floor maybe. So that is my condition. Tasyaha preshya bhavishyasi. You will become her attendant. Tava putraha, your son, Ramasya preshya tvam ekamashyati. He will become again servant of Rama. After all, he will be the prince, the king, and then all others. Of course, Lakshmana will not touch, because he is his closest. Yeah, so he will not do anything. But Bharata, definitely he will go down in the rank. Hrishta kalu bhavishyanti Ramasya paramastriyaha. And here is interesting. Tomorrow we'll see, very interesting. So he says, all the wives of Rama, she already concluded, Rama will have many wives. All the wives of Rama will be delighted because they are all equal category. Like you have been enjoying being a queen so long because you all have been the wives of Dasharatha. Therefore, all of you had the equal footing of being a queens. But Rama, when he gets married, when he becomes king, his wives will become the prominent, not Bharata's, not your daughter-in-laws. Aprahrishta bhavishyanti snushaha te. Snushaha means your daughter-in-laws. Bharadakshaye. When Bharata become fallen down to the level and cadre of being a servant, his wives become that category only. So whatever comforts and command that you are enjoying, Bharata's wives will not enjoy this. Your daughter-in-laws will not enjoy it. You yourself is Dasi. See, Dasharatha very well aware of this situation, that Bharata has been potentially going to become a king because he has given the word to KK. So what did he do? He sent her. Remember, we saw that in the beginning of Ayodhya Kand. He sent him to his grandfather's place. And when he invited all the various kings for the sake of coronation, he did not send the invitation to KK Raja. He said, then it's okay, I will talk to them later. So there is a subtle aspect of this, scheming is going on. Dasharatha is aware of this. Rama was totally no clue about this. Because the word that he has given to KK Raja looks very unimportant for him when it comes to choosing the right person. And for him, the right person is none other than Rama. Before the birth of everybody, he would have thought about it. Whoever is the son who is born, I will give it to him. And he took Kaikeyi saying that your son is going to be mine.